Some challenges don't appear overnight, they're layered into the body over the years, sometimes even since childhood. And when something has been part of your system for that long, it takes patience, consistency, and the right kind of support to unwind it. That's why I want to talk about nanosoma. Nanosoma isn't designed to chase symptoms. It works at a much deeper level by supporting the body's natural intelligence, the same intelligence that built, repaired, and protected you long before modern interventions existed. For simple, everyday support, many people use nanosoma in small amounts and feel subtle benefits like steadier energy, clearer thinking, and better resilience to stress. But when someone is dealing with a long-standing issue, especially one that began early in life, the body often needs more time and deeper reinforcement. Here's something important most people don't realize. When the body starts clearing long-held stressors, it doesn't always feel dramatic at first. Progress often shows up quietly, fewer flare-ups, longer stretches of calm, less reliance on external crutches, a sense that the body is finally regaining control. This is where many people make a mistake. They expect instant transformation. When it doesn't happen right away, they stop, often right when the body is finally responding. Nanosoma works best when you stay the course. Think of it like restoring a landscape that's been under strain for decades. You don't bulldoze it overnight, you nourish the soil, you give it time, and eventually balance returns. I've seen again and again that those who commit to consistent use, especially for deeper, older challenges, experience gradual but meaningful shifts. The body becomes calmer, more stable, more capable of handling what once felt overwhelming. Nanosoma doesn't override your system. It supports it, doesn't force change, but allows changes. If you've been dealing with something that feels stubborn, deeply rooted, or tied to your past, Nanosoma may be the steady, intelligent support your body has been waiting for. Try it now. Click the link in the description. This is Martin Pytela, restoring vitality to you and the planet.
Hey!